So the highly anticipated Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards are finally here. And obviously, most interest being in the National Sportswoman toss-up between Shericka Jackson and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. We combed through all the analysis and all the comparisons and the debates already. Essentially, the super performances of these two ladies cancel out each other. Shelly won the 100 meters world title and relay silver. Shericka won the 200 meters world title and relay silver. Shelly ran 7 sub-10 sevens, cancelled out by Shericka's blistering 21:45 national record. So they are basically inseparable in terms of performances. Now, for full disclosure, the Maverick has nothing at all to do with the selection process. That is up to the erudite RJR Sports Foundation Committee. I just want to make a suggestion to keep everyone happy. I suggest that for the very first time in the history of these awards, that we award Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Shericka Jackson joint Sportswoman of the Year for 2022. And everybody happy? Yes.